today, yes, that's my sister, right here. Plus, yes,
She's in two. Okay.
right now I'm gonna show you guys the slimes.
And
So the first one I'm gonna show you guys is the strawberry scented because I actually think it's the
Okay,
working
guys.
one. So I actually added some salt. Oh my god. I added too much salt to this. It's liquid. So guys, if you add too much salt to slime or like no glue slimes, they won't work. It's gonna be like baking soda. So the next slime I'm gonna show you guys is this slime. It really cleared up. Oh my guys, it's really turning this. Oh guys, I want you guys to see right now. Look at this. I want to play with it. Okay. It's really turning to slime, so I want this to be really good. So I want to try it with my hand. Okay. So right now. Oh guys, it's slime.
look at those.
This is a good. This is my first DIY. This is not a fail. So yeah, this is a part 2. I might do more because I'm gonna get some stuff for my next video. So yeah, right now I'm so obsessed with this. I'm gonna play this for hours. Bye guys. See ya on my next video. Bye guys.